Activate the goodness of oats in your skincare routine. When oats are applied to the skin, it increases the moisture level in the skin, diminishes dryness, makes the skin smooth, and has been shown to make complexion lighter by reducing tan, spots and dark marks. Oats can soak up the excess oil on your skin and help treat acne. Due to its skin-friendly properties, oats is suited for all skin types. Oats Complexion Lightening Clean Skin Mask. 2 teaspoons of rolled oats. 4 tablespoons rice water. Soak oats in rice water for 10 minutes or until soft and creamy. Mash and mix until it forms a smooth paste. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon curd, 1 tablespoonful earth clay. Mix all ingredients in a small bowl. Apply to face and allow to stay on for 10 minutes. Rinse well with cool water. You'll be amazed at how soft, clean and instantly radiant light it will leave your skin. For best results, use twice weekly. This oats face mask naturally reduces the appearance of spots, dark marks, fine lines while unclogging pores and supporting blemish and breakout-prone skin. If you enjoy this video, then make sure you subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss a single video.